If you've ever wondered, can you unfollow all on X, formerly Twitter, the short answer is that X does not offer a built-in unfollow all button. So if your goal is to clear out your following list, the process has to be done manually, one account at a time. In this video, I'll show you the safe and simple way to do it, so you know exactly what to expect before you start. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media how-to guides just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more videos like this for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account using your browser or the X app. Once you're signed in, go to your profile page. On desktop, you can usually do this by clicking your profile icon or your name in the left-hand menu. On mobile, tap your profile picture or open the menu and select Profile. This takes you to your public profile area where your account activity is easy to access. Next, look for the Following tab. This is where X shows every account that you currently follow. When you click or tap Following, you'll see a full list of people, brands, creators, and pages you're subscribed to. This is the list you'll need to go through if you want to unfollow multiple accounts. Now here's the important part. Since there is no official one-click unfollow all feature on X, you need to unfollow each account individually. Find the account you want to remove from your following list, and next to that account, click the Following button. On X, that button usually changes state when you're already following someone. After you click it, X may ask you to confirm that you want to unfollow. If that prompt appears, just click Unfollow to complete the action. Once you do that, the account should immediately disappear from your following list or update to show that you are no longer following them. Then you simply repeat the same process for the next account and the next one after that. If you're trying to unfollow a large number of accounts, the easiest method is to go slowly and work through your following list in sections. That keeps things more manageable and helps you avoid mistakes. It also gives you a chance to make sure you only unfollow the accounts you actually want to remove. A quick note here. Be careful with any third-party tools or browser extensions that claim they can unfollow everyone instantly. Some of these tools can be risky, may violate platform rules, or could put your account security at risk. If your goal is to keep things safe, the manual method is the best approach because you stay in control the entire time. If you only need to unfollow a few accounts, this process is very straightforward. Open Following, tap or click Following next to the account, confirm the unfollow if needed, and repeat. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, can you unfollow all on X? Not with a built-in X feature. The platform does not provide an official unfollow all button, so the safe method is to unfollow accounts manually from your following list. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials on X, Twitter, and other social platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.